Once upon a time, in the enchanted forest, lived a little girl named Lily Potter. She was not an ordinary girl, for she had a secret: she could talk to flowers. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to visit her favorite flower, a beautiful rose named Rosaline. "Hello, Rosaline," she said, giving the rose a gentle squeeze. Rosaline bloomed brighter at Lily's voice. "Hello, Lily," she replied. "How was your day?" "I've had a wonderful day, Rosaline," Lily said, "but I've been feeling a bit lonely. Do you know anyone who'd like to play with me?" Rosaline thought for a moment. "I know just the right person. Come with me, and I'll introduce you to her." They walked through the forest, past the towering trees and chattering squirrels, until they reached a clearing. There, under the shade of a large oak tree, was a beautiful sunflower named Sunny. "Sunny, this is Lily," Rosaline introduced. "Lily, this is Sunny. She's a sunflower, and she's always happy." "Nice to meet you, Sunny," Lily said, smiling. "I'd love to play with you." Sunny beamed, bending her head towards Lily. "Let's play a game, Lily," she said. "Let's see who can make the prettiest rainbow." Lily and Sunny worked together, gathering petals from the surrounding flowers. They mixed the petals in a large bowl and started to paint the sky with their creations. The sky turned into a beautiful rainbow, brighter than ever before. They played for hours, laughing and creating beautiful rainbows. As the sun began to set, Lily realized it was time to go home. "Thank you, Sunny," she said. "I've had the best day ever." Sunny nodded. "I'm glad you enjoyed yourself, Lily. I hope we can play again soon." Lily waved goodbye to Sunny and Rosaline, promising to visit them again soon. As she walked back home, she felt happy and content. She knew she had a special friend in Sunny, and she couldn't wait to visit her again. From that day on, Lily and Sunny spent their afternoons playing, painting the sky with beautiful rainbows. And every night, as Lily went to sleep, she would think about her magical friendship with Sunny and Rosaline, and she would dream of more adventures in the enchanted forest.